Hello and welcome to Math 120, Fundamentals of College Math. This is section 4001 for summer 2019. So I'm going to go through the syllabus here, and hopefully I can explain some things along the way if something's not clear. Otherwise, you can always post a discussion question about it, or you can email me. And my email address is right there, in fact, Jeff Downs. Email address, jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. Okay, for this class, prerequisites are Math 96, or Math 95 with a grade of B- or better, or the equivalent. Course description offers a course in real numbers, consumer mathematics, variation functions, relations and graphs, geometry or measurement, probability and statistics, sets and logics. So we have a lot of, if you look down here, the course objectives. Each instructor has a lot of leeway on what they're going to cover in this class, which is just what's really cool about Math 120. This course is broad in scope and emphasizes applications. Topics will include probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer mathematics. Areas 1 and 2 make up approximately 2/3 of the semester, probability and statistics, business, finance, and consumer math. And the remaining 1/3 of the semester consists of applications of the following areas: logic and sets. Okay, so it's a 3-credit course. Transferability within Nevada. This course is designed to apply toward a WNC degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. It may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. The linkage to college admission provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically, and apply computational skills. So the textbook is a survey of mathematics with applications. I believe it's the 10th edition. That's the latest edition. Angel, Abbott, and Rund are the authors. You have two options. You get the textbook with MyMathLab access, or just get the MyMathLab access and use the book in the multimedia part of the online MyMathLab area. Now, it's critical to note you have to have MyMathLab access. All homework and exams are completed in MyMathLab. So you need the MyMathLab access. Supplies, text, a TI graphing calculator is an optional but encouraged tool. I like using the TI-89. If you don't already have one though, it's a pretty big expense for this class, which is probably your last math class. So there are a lot of other options you can use. There are also resources online. Grading scale is A, B, C, D, F. Grade breakdown is midterm, 1 midterm at 200 points. Quizzes, 10 quizzes at 10 points each for 100 points. Syllabus quiz, 1 at 6 points for 6 points. That's a new thing that I've had to add, that is part of your attendance. That has to be done in the first 2 or 3 days. Homework, 4 chapters at 50 points each for 200 points. Participation, 10 postings at 10 points each for 100 points. And the final, 1 final at 200 points for 200 points. For a total of 806 points. Thank you, Syllabus Quiz. So again, you have to do that syllabus quiz. I'll get into that in a moment. Midterm, there'll be a midterm which is due on July 5th, 2019. The midterm will be conducted in MyMathLab. The midterm will cover chapters 10 and 11. There'll be no makeup for missed midterm. You will have multiple attempts on the midterm with your best score counting for the grade. Quizzes, there'll be 11 quizzes. The top 10 quizzes will be counted for the grade. Each quiz is worth 10 points toward the grade. If a quiz is missed, it will receive a score of 0. Homework, there'll be 26 assignments over 4 chapters. Each chapter is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through MyMathLab. To access this site, go to the MyLab and Mastering link in Canvas. I will not accept any late homework. Final exam, the final exam is due August 2nd, 2019. You'll complete the final exam in MyMathLab. The final exam will cover chapters 12 and 3. You will have multiple attempts on the final exam with the highest score counting. Participation, discussions, attendance. A participation grade is determined by the number of substantive posts on the discussion board in Canvas. I'll be checking posts and introductions, homework, discussions, and math jokes. I thought I had the thing in here about, I don't see it. Okay. So the syllabus quiz, I thought I had a line in here about that, but the syllabus quiz is a simple quiz. You can get 100% really easy. And you can read through the syllabus, look at the stuff online, and there are all the answers. So it's just something we have to do to show you have been active in the first couple of days of the class. Okay, ethics statement. No cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Note, please use proper etiquette upon when making discussion postings on the discussion boards and Canvas. For tips on etiquette, see the participation discussion postings page on our Canvas page. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison at scott.morrison@wnc.edu. Disability statement: Western Nevada College is committed to providing reasonable accommodations for all persons with disabilities. This syllabus is available in an alternate format upon request. Students with disabilities, if you are seeking classroom accommodations under the Americans with Disabilities Act, you are required to register with Disability Support Services, DSS. DSS is located in Cedar 209 on the Carson City campus. Phone or email at 775-445-4459 or susan.trist@wnc.edu. To receive academic accommodations for this class, please obtain the proper DSS forms and meet with me at the beginning of the semester. Here are the important dates for this semester. Hope they're correct. These are the common important dates, and I try to change them to match what this semester will give us. Okay, and then down here we have our tentative schedule for the class. So first week we're covering most of chapter 10, a little bit of 10 there. Then 11 goes through to June 26th. And then we have our midterm. Start reviewing on the first of our U. It's going to be due on the 11th. Sorry, on the July 5th. Then we have chapter 12 and chapter 3, and then we have our final exam. And here are the sections covered on each quiz. So, okay, let me know if you have any questions. And looking forward to the semester, the summer session anyway. 8 weeks. I mean, look at that. 8 weeks. We're covering this class in like half the time of normal. So it is a brisk pace. Okay. Let me know. Thanks.